We're here joined by the team from all the way from Ghana, Farmlynco. Just to know from you guys, how are you guys feeling having won a prize tonight?
I'm so excited because this competition was a tough one, and then all the groups came up with incredible ideas.
Specifically, I'm very excited. I don't know how to express my joy to come all the way from Ghana and come and prove myself among 8 good groups here and be able to win a prize. I think is something amazing, and it's something I love so much.
So let's hear from you about the A2SV Hackathon. What was your best moment and experience that you had here in Ethiopia?
I think my best moment at A2SV was coming to Ethiopia and seeing the participants, and also when we were given the opportunity to pitch our ideas to the investors. I thought that actually I've built something that is going to be useful and impactful in my country and Africa as a whole. So this hackathon has really impacted me personally and also my team, and we are hoping to give our best as we go to our country. For students who want to participate in the hackathon next year, don't doubt yourself. Just join the hackathon, register for it, and there are workshops and other webinars that are going to be organized to educate you, to give you the skills that you need to participate in the hackathon. So I will entreat all students in Africa to get themselves ready for the next year's hackathon. Thank you.